Minnesota Attorney General's office. This is Paul.
Yes, is Parker available?
I don't know. Doesn't look like it, but I can check for you. What's your name?
Steve.
So I sent a message. Let's see if he responds.
Okay.
Not getting any response. Would you like his voicemail?
No, maybe you can just help me. I'm trying to find out, I have a problem with HOA, and I'm trying to find out how to go about, if there's any way how I can resolve it, or if there's any place I can get a hold of to help out with this.
Not really, because homeowners associations are member owned and all of that kind of stuff. There's no government agency over them, and all of the remedies in the statutes that govern homeowners associations kind of contemplate court action for remedies. So really the only recommendation we have is to contact a private attorney.
Okay, and is there any that do this type of stuff?
Yeah, we can't recommend individual attorneys or firms, but the State Bar Association Lawyer Finder Service has lawyers by specialty, and you can search by area that they practice in.
And I've tried that, and all of them that are on there, it's just they won't take an HOA case.
They're kind of troublesome cases.
Well, you said they're not. Who oversees them then?
They're not overseen by anybody. The members do. Choices are to
So there's no government oversight.
out. Nope.
So wouldn't that be like against the Constitution too? Any rights for the Constitution?
Nope. You can enter into whatever contract you want, and by buying into that homeowners association, you entered into a contract with all the other owners.
Yeah, doesn't the Constitution oversee all others?
Yeah, your constitutional freedom to contract. You made a contract with all those other owners.
And what if you're not told about this though? And what if you're not told about any of it and it's disclosed a bit?
So, by definition, you were. You just didn't look hard enough. It's buyer beware.
It's buyer beware. How is that legal?
That's how it works.
That's not giving me any answers. How it works is not an answer.
Well, I'm sorry you entered into a contract that you didn't find out about before you did that. That's what you did, though.
Isn't it against law for them not to tell you? So you can get tricked into signing something, and you're screwed then. If they don't say anything about it. Is that what you're saying?
No, but that's not what happened to you either.
Yeah. There's a lot of people that I know have gotten into these things, never been told anything, never been told about anything, and signed.
No affirmative duty to tell you.
It's not their duty to. It's not their duty to tell you.
No, it's your duty to inquire.
Is there a statute that says that no one can intervene? Like the AGO can't intervene?
No, but there's no statute that enables us to. And that's what
There's no statute that enables you to? Are you supposed to help with the people? Are you supposed to represent the people?
I'm not going to argue this with you. Is there anything you would?
I'm sorry.
That I can't answer.
I'm sorry. Who's the people's lawyer then?
The HOA people?
No, the homeowners. Who's the people's lawyer?
Not the Attorney General.
Not the Attorney General? Then what do you do then? I thought the people's lawyer was the Attorney General.
We represent the departments of the government, so Commerce and Department of Labor and that kind of stuff, and we have consumer protection powers. But we don't have any consumer protection powers in the area of HOAs because you're not dealing with the business, you're dealing with yourself.
How is that when it's a business that starts it?
You're
Corporation.
you entered into a contract with this HOA. Now you're a member of this HOA. Your choices are to sue them or to vote out the board and get a different board.
We never signed nothing about that, about an HOA, no.
You did when you bought the house.
To give up our rights, our constitutional rights?
Yep, that's what you did when you bought the house.
We gave up our constitutional rights when we bought a house in an HOA. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you signed a contract.
So we gave up our
rights,
constitutional rights?
Listen, you keep saying what you want to hear. I'm just going to let you go because you're not listening.
I'm not yelling.
Let me answer any questions. So I'm just going to let you go because you're just asking the same stupid questions.
What statute says?
One question survey on your call experience today. Please press